TGC Fam Car Guy Court here and Car Mom Court. We're heading down to the import face-off. It's, I guess, races, drifting, stuff like that. I'm not really super into imports. I mean, I think, you know, people do a lot of cool things with them, but obviously I'm into the Hemi muscle and the V8s. But we just dropped Lane off with Jordan at, you know, Jeremy Barrett's house. So for once we get to actually spend a little time without a kid. So should be a good time. Should have lots of good footage. But anyways, yeah, you got anything to say?
So they might not know that you used to have a whole bunch of imports though.
Yeah, I did.
So why don't we tell them about, so what was your favorite import that you've had?
Probably my Acura Integra.
What year was it?
It was a 97 LS Special Edition, but I put a GSR head on it and it was pretty fast. 11.2 was the fastest I ever ran in it.
Was that your green one?
Yeah.
What other imports?
And then I took the motor out of that and put it in a 91 CRX SI, so that car was super fast, but I never ran it at the track, but that car was like scary fast. But yeah.
What other imports have you had?
That's it, really.
That's it? You just had a CRX and an Acura?
I mean, I've had like Toyota Camrys that were like normal, like dad cars, and I had, I also had a Corolla GTS, one of the drift cars. I had one of those for a while, got rid of it. Yeah, so that pretty much was like the extent of it, because after that I started driving trucks, and I had a couple trucks and like a Lexus, and yeah, I had a lot of different cars, and yeah, that's about it. So we're gonna head down there. We're gonna get some footage for you guys, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a video filled with way different stuff than what I usually do. All right, see you later. All right, so we're here at the car show, guys. It's a car show / race, so we're gonna have some footage. I'm just gonna walk around, show you some of the cars, and then later we'll maybe get some GoPro footage of a car on the track. So check this out. Alright CGC fam, Car Guy Court here, out with another video. Want to say thanks to everybody who has subscribed, and if you're watching this and you have not done so yet, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. So, hope you guys liked the video. I know it's a little different from what I normally do. The next one will be back to the same stuff. I just figured I'd switch it up a little bit and see how you guys liked it. So, let's get to that 1,000 sub mark so we can start doing the giveaway. When we get to 750 subscribers, we're gonna do a live, myself and Jeremy Barrett from The Life of Jeremy Barrett, to go over the rules and everything that's gonna be given away. All right, guys. Love y'all, CGC fam. I'm out.